Hi everyone, I'm Chris.
I'm Lisa.
I'm Greg Marcucci.
Our friend Greg here is a comedian and a celebrity.
And he has a gorgeous Corvette that we're standing in front
Awesome Corvette.
of. Before we show you the Corvette, can you do a little Rodney Dangerfield for us?
Yeah, I got no respect, I want to tell you. It ain't easy being me.
Wow.
My son, he's another bargain, my son. He tapes worms to the floor so the birds get hernias. I want to tell you, it ain't easy being me. Anyway, let's move on.
This guy is, was that great or what?
great.
It's Rodney Dangerfield all over again. I love it. You do a great
He's a
impression.
comedian and he tours.
Yep.
And he's amazing.
We got a gift for you. Come over.
He was in Villa Roma recently too.
Victor Benedetto.
With Vic DiBenedetto. Everybody says Vic DiBenedetto. I stick up for you. It's Vic
Vic
DiBenedetto. They all say
I know
DiBenedetto. Well, Greg has done many skits with Vic DiBenedetto.
Yes.
Famous comedian. And you're wonderful, Greg.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank
This
you.
is a great car. You got to tell us.
So let's check Greg's car out, everyone.
It's a 1979 Corvette, all original, numbers matching. And I got it about 8-9 years like that, right now, long. It's a 354 barrel. And it's an original car, great shape, you know. One paint. They painted it one time.
Can you tell us how do we get to be a part of the Corvette Club? I want to.
Well, with the Richmond County Corvette Club, and we have 140 members. We have a Brooklyn chapter also that meets up at Philly Benefield, so it's a really big club. And Jack is in charge. He's the president. We have a vice president. We have a treasurer. It's like a whole chain of command. It's really nice. And we usually over by Clark and Amboy, we usually hang around there. But since this is going on tonight, we were asked by Marty, who's in charge of it. He's with his club to come and hang around with everybody.
So can we follow you on Facebook? Can I get involved? What is it, the Staten Island Corvette Club?
Staten Island Corvette Club. The Richmond County Corvette.
Richmond County.
Corvette Club. When you look it up there, they're on online. You know, they've been around a long time. They've been around since '94.
Oh, wow.
So, well, it's been around, you know, a lot of nice members, a bunch of great people, you know, everybody in the club.
Awesome. Well,
And we're going to try to bring them all out here, so they want us to come, so we're going to fill out this whole place, it'll be really nice.
And will this primarily be on Wednesday nights? Or?
Yeah, this here is on Wednesdays, yeah.
Okay.
Wednesday night. Every Wednesday night. Weather permitting, you know.
Awesome.
They do a nice job. Really
Just
do.
like the page.
That was some car, huh, Lisa?
Gorgeous car and a wonderful owner right here.
Yes,
Greg.
absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Every time I watch you, you make me laugh. I love it.
Yeah, that was a great
It's all about
skit.
laughing. That's what it's all about.
Great
Keep 'em
comedian.
Laughter
Keep 'em
is the
laughing.
best medicine.
Oh, yeah.
and
Great
you know,
comedian.
Absolutely.
Famous
Pleasure to
comedian,
meet you.
everyone.
You too as well.
Thank you so much. We're going to follow
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Richmond County Corvette Club. Awesome.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Chris the Hobby Guy.
Yeah!
Yeah!